Hi, welcome to the Open the Door to Tai Chi Beginning Homework series. These videos are intended for you to start to learn some of the movements of Tai Chi. Now, whether you found us because you're taking a class from a certified Open the Door instructor or you're just looking to learn some Tai Chi, this is what those videos will help you do. Of course, Tai Chi is much more than just learning the individual movements. Throughout these videos, you'll hear me refer to some of the underlying principles, things like columns or moving from the dantian. As you learn more Tai Chi and you learn the flow of the form, you'll also learn to apply these underlying principles. And that's where the benefits of Tai Chi really start to happen as you understand those underlying principles. But as a beginner right now, don't worry about that too much. I want you to enjoy these videos, learn the individual movements, and keep going with Tai Chi. Welcome to your beginning Tai Chi homework number 4. We're going to start with hold the ball. It's a transitional movement, but it's an important transitional movement. Bringing your weight all the way over onto the right. Bring your right hand high and your left hand underneath. It's as if you're holding a ball. Moving over to the left, now your left hand comes high and your right hand is underneath. Stepping side to side, just practice that transition of hold the ball. And remember to keep that elbow dropped. Don't let that elbow come up like this. That just causes tension in your neck and in your shoulders. Keep the elbow down. Now we're going to do Chi walking, which is not a movement in the form, but it's the basis of all the movement in the form. Bringing your left foot forward, bring a little bit of weight onto that left. Rock back, open your body up about 45 degrees. Now bring all the weight onto that left and step straight forward with the right. Bring a little bit of weight onto that right, rock back, open your body up about 45 degrees. Now bring all the weight onto that right and step straight forward with the left. When you're doing Chi walking, I want you to think of the imagery of water flowing from one leg into the next. And you don't want to lift the leg until it's completely empty. So let's try it again. Step forward with the left. Bring a little bit of weight onto that left. Rock back. Open your body up about 45 degrees. Now as the weight comes onto that left, imagine water flowing from the right into the left, and you don't lift this right leg until it's completely empty. Now you bring a little bit of weight onto that right, rock back, open yourself up. Now as the weight comes onto the right, imagine that water flowing from the left into the right, and you don't lift that left leg until it's completely empty. So now we're going to learn a movement called Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. It starts from that hold the ball position. So if you bring your weight to the right, bringing your right hand high and your left hand underneath, you're going to step out with that left leg. This left hand comes up and the right hand is just a little bit lower and comes out like this, to the side of your body, to that left, just slightly. Fair Lady Works the Shuttle. You're going to bring your right hand high, your left hand underneath in a right hold the ball to start off. Then you step forward with that left, bring the left hand up, and the right hand comes out. We do it on both sides of the body. Bringing the left hand high and the right hand underneath, your weight's on that left side. Step forward with the right. Bring the right hand up and the left hand up. Just a little bit below that right hand and a little bit over to the side of your body. One more time on this side, starting with that left, hold the ball, step out, Fair Lady Works the Shuttle. Pick the needle up from the C bottom actually comes out of Fair Lady Works the Shuttle. But first we're going to learn pick the needle up from the C bottom. I want your weight on your right side. Bring your left foot forward. This is actually called a false stance because there is no weight in that left foot. Your weight is not forward, your weight is back on the right. Left is empty. Bring this left hand up, protecting your face. Now you're going to take this right hand, draw a circle just a little bit to the back. Now pointing those fingers towards your toes, you're going to bend just a little bit, pick the needle up from the C bottom, come up, block, and then stepping forward, putting your weight on that left, fan through the back. Pick the needle up from the C bottom. Please notice that I am not picking anything up from the floor. You do not want to go all the way down. You do not want to be looking at the floor. You want to keep your focus up. Bring your weight to the right. Left foot is empty, but a little bit in front. Left hand is high. Bring that right hand up and over, now pointing those toes towards that left foot. Pick the needle up from the C bottom. Come up, block. This is where you do bring your weight onto that left, slightly forward, fan through the back. With coming out of Fair Lady works the shuttle. What happens is you're on your right side, you come out with Fair Lady works the shuttle, then you step forward, notice this left hand is already high. Bring that left foot empty and pick the needle up from the C bottom. I just wanted to show you that transition there. And the last move that we're going to learn today is called deflect, intercept, and punch. When we have a fist in Tai Chi, you want it to be an open, loose fist, as if you have a robin's egg that you don't want to crush. In deflect, intercept, and punch, your right hand is in a fist. Your left hand is open. Bring your weight to your left. Bring both hands over to your left hip. Remember that right hand is in a fist. Step forward with that right foot. You do have a little bit of weight on there. Bring both hands up in an arc. It's a semicircle, just like that. The left hand is pointing out, the right hand is pointing towards your face. Then you bring your weight onto the right, bringing your hand to your right hip. Then you step forward with your left and you punch. It's called deflect, intercept, and punch. Let's do it one more time. Bringing your weight over to your left. Your right hand is in a fist. Your left hand is open. Step up. Step forward with that right. Bringing a little bit of weight onto that right. Bring both hands up in a semicircle. Then you bring your weight all the way onto that right, stepping up with that left foot, and the right hand comes to your right hip. Then step forward and punch. And that's the end of your beginning Tai Chi homework number 4.